Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make creamy mashed potatoes. So let's get started. Take a pan, keep it in a slow flame. Now add some butter and put some lime. Now mix the butter well. Add some 9 to 10 chopped garlic. Mix it well till it becomes golden. Till then we will mash the potatoes. Mash it smoothly. As you can see, now our garlic is golden. Now potatoes are almost mashed. Mash it properly. Now we will add mashed potatoes in the pan. Now we will mix it well. Now we will add fresh cream in it and salt according to taste and stir it well. Now we will mix it well till the batter becomes smooth and it looks creamy. I love potatoes. I love this recipe also. Now we will add black pepper for the taste. It's very fresh black pepper. Now it looks almost ready. We will serve it in a bowl. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Decorate with coriander and black pepper to taste. Now it is almost ready to be served. It's looking tasty. Hope you like my recipe and try it.